Hello everyone, so today we're going to be doing a wig install. I'm going to walk you guys through the steps I took to get this install right here on my beautiful model. Before we get to that, let me introduce the wig. Right, so this wig is from Wiggins Hair. Now just a little history on this company. Wiggins Hair was established in 2015. They sell affordable 100% human hair lace wigs of various styles and different textures. And here's what you're going to get inside. Wig cap, lashes, headband, also this cute little bag right here, an edge brush, and here's the unit right here. This is their kinky straight V part, and it is 24 inches. Now when you're ready to install this wig, all you have to do is just cut right here. Now this unit has 5 clip-in combs around the V part, 3 standard combs, 1 on each side by each ear, and then also 1 in the back. And then you have a small strap, and then you also have this large strap right here. Okay, so you're gonna make sure you thoroughly wash this unit before you install it. I really like this hair. It's very soft, and also it didn't have much shedding. This is all the shedding it did. I did go ahead and prep the wig. I straightened it out a little bit more just to kind of give it more of a sleek look. I didn't want to straighten it out too much because I didn't want to take away from the texture. And here's my hair model right here. She was so cute and just so fun. I loved her personality. She had me cracking up pretty much the whole time. So yeah, we had a good time. But anyway, I am going to be installing this unit on her. Now, she has some of the most thickest hair I've ever done, okay? Like, this was hands down the most challenging braid down I've ever done on anybody. I wasn't sure that this hair could even go down. Like, look at this. From this angle, it looks like I haven't even done a single braid yet. Y'all see that? Like, it's crazy. So all I know was I was braiding and braiding, and the hair was not reducing. So, and at one point, I could have sworn I heard her hair whisper to me, "Go find somebody else to play with." Now, that's what it said to me, okay? Y'all gonna think I'm lying, but that's what it said, okay? It told me to go find somebody else to play with. No, but seriously, she has some gorgeous hair. I love how full and thick it was. Did small braids just to make sure that I'm fitting all that hair in there. Now, obviously, you don't have to braid your hair in order to install this unit. You don't have to braid it at all. You can just do a ponytail or something like that. Unless your hair is super thick like hers. If your hair is super thick like this, then braiding would be the better option for you, just to make sure that everything is nice and flat. You also want to make sure if you do braids that you don't do the braids too tight, because it's going to be very uncomfortable trying to get those combs in there, and it's going to add to the tension. So you want to make sure that those braids are loose, especially at the beginning of the braid. That way when you put the combs inside, it's more comfortable for your client or yourself. All right, so this is what we have right now. Now, I mismeasured how much hair should be out, and so I'm just trying to remeasure and figure out how much leave out we should have out, and like at what point should it curve and all that. So I'm just trying to figure that out so that way the unit lays flat and it lays in the right position. So what I did was remeasure. I just put the unit back on, and then I end up taking some of that hair out of the leave out, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Those are the 2 braids I was talking about that I had to do. All I did was take the extra hair that I had in the leave out. I took that hair and I plaited it into 2 plaits, and then I crocheted it into the braids. And then I just installed the unit. Everything was in the right position, and so we were good to go. Now, if you're not familiar with clip-ins, all you have to do is open them up by bending them backwards and anchor it inside of your hair. And then to go ahead and close that pin up by pushing it inward. So you're just going to do the very opposite. Now, you don't have to do leave out. There's a method you could do that doesn't require any leave out and it still looks just as natural. So you would need like a crochet needle or a bead threader in order to do that method. I'll go into that method maybe another time, but for this time we are doing leave out. And this is how it turned out. And then after that, I just blended in her leave out with the hair. It looks super natural. Like, you cannot tell me this isn't her hair. This is her hair, okay? This is her hair. If you guys are interested in this unit right here, the link will be over in the description box. Look at that. Just flowy, beautiful hair. Now, she also plays ball, and although this wasn't a slam dunk, I think she would definitely agree that we still scored with this one. And as they say, a win is a win.